So in this video we are going to learn and understand the basic UDP scan using an Nmap tool. So the purpose of the UDP scan is to scan the UDP ports, as the UDP is a connectionless protocol. So it is not equivalent to the TCP SYN packet. So if a UDP packet is sent to a port that is not open, then the system will respond with an ICMP protocol, that is unreachable message. So let us see how to apply the Nmap UDP scan command. So first of all, go to the command prompt. So for this you need to click on start button and type terminal and click on the terminal, and parallelly we need to open the Wireshark. So go to the start button and type Wireshark. As I open the Wireshark network analyzer, so here are the various network interfaces that are available on my computer, hence I connected to this. So it is showing that the pulsated reply. So just click on this to capture the packets. So here are the packets that are flowing through my network interface. So here we need to apply the basic Nmap UDP scan command to capture the UDP packets and the obtained result of where the UDP ports are opened or not. So as the UDP scan is used to scan the UDP ports, so it is a connectionless protocol. So it is not equivalent to the TCP SYN packet. So if a UDP packet is sent to a port that is not open, the system will respond with the ICMP protocol, that is unreachable message. So let us see by applying a simple command of Nmap. So go to the command prompt. So first of all, click on the start button and type here the terminal to open the terminal. As we already told that the operating system which I am going to use is Kali operating system, that is Kali Linux. So as to apply the Nmap commands, the root privileges must be given. So for this we need to type sudo su command to enter into the root privileges. So give your basic password that is given for the root privileges. So hence I entered my password. So then I entered into the root. So here I need to give a command called nmap hyphen s capital U and the target IP address of 192.168.43.102. This is my target IP address. So then give a space of and give a hyphen p, capital small p, and just give a range of port numbers, that is of 1 to 500 port numbers I am here giving. So as if any blocks will not occur, so I am giving you this pn command. So just click on enter. So you can see that it takes a meanwhile of time to capture the packets that are related to the UDP scan of the target machine. So you can see here are the packets that were captured and it is showing that the destination is unreachable. So this the destination unreachable, that it indicates that the port is being closed, and these are all the ports that were sent a uscan, that is a UDP command that we have given in the command prompt, and the reply from the target machine, that is of 43.17, and this is our host, and this is a UDP packet that was sent to the, just a stop capture for get a clarity. So here you can see that I got a reply to the IP address of 192.168.43.17, and this is the IP address of my machine, and the target machine, that is of 192.168.43.102. For this I sent a UDP packet and the reply I got is ICMP reply, that is destination is unreachable. So as the destination is unreachable means that the port is closed. So as we learned what are the information that we obtained from the UDP scan. So here you can see that the scanning is still going on. Just click on enter how much the percentage of scan is being done. So here it is showing that a 25% of the scan is being done and still it is scanning. So it takes a meanwhile of time. So as the UDP packets is sent to the target IP address and the port numbers from 1 to 500, the UDP packets are sent and the reply from 1 to 500 port numbers is obtained here. So in the Wireshark it is showing that destination is unreachable. So it means that the port is closed. So here is the basic information that is obtained by the UDP scan.